Greetings everyone, Eric here. So let's go over what's been going on in the world. Again, there's a situation obviously going on in Iran right now that is a total mess, right? It's no different than other world events, and you have some people that say, oh no, Eric, this one's so different. They really aren't. What happens is that something happens in the world. Eventually, the markets get numb to this and they actually move on. So whether Iran lasts another month, 2 months, 3 months, I don't really see it lasting much more than that. Eventually, you're going to see the markets kind of shrug it off and actually do their thing. So what we're really paying attention to is who's actually staying in the market, who's actually buying into this market, and taking a look at the fundamentals and all of the earnings that come out and using all the filters that we actually use to choose the investments for you. As we go through, people want to react heavily to something. They want to do this or they want to do this, and they're all over the place, and they're making these very situational decisions very quickly. When we get to a situational decision that we have to make very quickly, we want to make it even faster, just so it's done. We made a decision and it's done. When it comes to your money, those are actually the worst decisions that you can make. So people will actually get frantic and they'll be like, Eric, what are you doing about this? Well, the biggest thing is that I've learned over time is you don't overreact and you don't underreact. You simply react. And sometimes what you have to do is step on the throttle a little bit and give it a little bit more gas to get through difficult times. When I grew up in upstate New York, we used to ride motocross bikes, and all of my friends had them, and we were okay at it. We weren't great. But luckily, one of my friend's dads, Ron, he actually raced motocross bikes. So he would actually take us out to this field every once in a while, and he would watch us ride, and he would really help us. He would come over and he goes, okay, guys, you get scared when it gets tough. You get scared when it gets rocky. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to ride through this, and when times get a little bumpy, I'm going to give it a little bit of throttle, give it a little more gas, and I'm actually going to get through it easier. He was absolutely right. It's the same way when the market, when they get tumultuous, you can't slow down because inflation is still rampant. Interest rates are still a mess. Things are still expensive right now. And if we can buy low and we can ride this market out, everyone is going to take an opportunity from that. So when times get tough, times get bumpy, give it a little bit more throttle and we get through this. We're not running into cash. We're not trying to short oil. It's just, we're just maintaining a process here. So it doesn't mean that the next few weeks won't be bumpy, but I want you to know that we're actually taking advantage of that. And again, we have to step on the throttle a little bit to get through difficult times to get to a better place. So again, if you have any questions about your portfolio, contact us at myIncomePlan.com.